Hello friends, today's subject Vastu. What is Vastu? Where we stay. In brief, it is Vastu. What is the purpose of Vastu? Vastu balance entrance, circulation of positive energy and stopping negative energy. Main purpose. 5 element balancing is the main purpose of Vastu Shastra. What are the 5 elements? Earth, water, fire, air, space. Earth means Prithvi, which is considered stability and foundation. Water, Jal Tattva, flow and movement. Fire, Agni Tattva, energy and transformation. Air, Vayu Tattva, movement and circulation. Space, Akash Tattva, connection and expansion. First, we need to correct and watch main entrance of our house. East or north direction auspicious for entrance. Avoid south or southwest, which can bring negative energy. And positive energy when entrance circulates throughout the house and benefits for the native of this house. Circulation of positive energy. Proper room layout. Allow energy to flow freely. Use mirror wisely, which reflects and amplifies positive energy. Never place mirror in bedroom, which can reflect image of human. Minimize clutter. Remove obstacles to energy flow. Stopping negative energy. Color, metals, structure, shape and size. Proper utilization, use of above items. Color. Use specific colors to balance elements, that is blue for water, green for earth. Metals. Use metals like copper or gold to attract positive energy. Structure. Avoid irregular structure or shape, corners. Shape and size. Use specific shapes and size to balance elements, that is square for stability, circle for unity. By applying these Vastu principles, you can create a balanced and harmonious environment that promotes positive energy and well-being of that house and who stays in that house. Thank you for watching. If you like, then share, comment, and for more important useful information, follow this channel and subscribe this channel. Thank you.